Hi, in this video I will show you how to see blocked users on Discord mobile. So this one is actually really easy as well again. What you need to do is to just head over to your phone and then locate Discord. Now once you're on your Discord, what you need to do is to just head over right here to the application, and then from in there just click onto this U page that you can see right here and to the bottom. Now you should be able to see in here your profile. So what we can do in this case is just click onto this gear icon that you can see on the upper right corner. So head over and click on it. Then after that, you should be able to see this. So you can just scroll down and then look in here for blocked users or blocking. Alternatively, you can also click onto the search option and search in here for block. Now we have in here this block accounts option. It's under the content and social. You can click on it, and in here you can see all of the users that you have blocked. In this case, I have one blocked account, and if you want to unblock them, just head over and click onto this one, or if you just want to see them, you can head over and then just see them right here as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.